In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset the Salesforce Authenticator. Whether you're troubleshooting access issues or preparing to set up a new device, resetting your Salesforce Authenticator is an essential skill to ensure uninterrupted access to your Salesforce environment. Let's dive into the steps to reset it properly. First, the journey begins by logging into your Salesforce account. This might seem like a small task, but it's the foundation for everything we'll do today. Use the credentials associated with your Salesforce account, making sure you're entering your username and password correctly. If you have multiple accounts, double-check that you're logging into the right one relevant to your needs. Once you're in, the next stop is navigating to the setup area. You might see a gear icon usually located on the top right corner of your interface. Give that a click. This setup area is like the command center for all your Salesforce configurations and customizations, and understanding how to move around here is a handy skill for anyone using Salesforce. After you've entered the setup, it's time to focus on users. Search or browse your way to the user section, and within this, you're looking for the advanced user details. This section will provide you a deeper dive into specifics about the user, which is crucial for what we need to reset here today. Now that you're in the advanced user details section, it's time to make the decisive move. Locate the part that mentions Salesforce Authenticator. Here, you should see an option to disconnect the authenticator. Clicking disconnect will sever the existing connection. And doesn't worry, this is exactly what you need to do at this point to reset it. Your previous settings or issues will be wiped clean, setting the stage for a fresh start. With the old connection now out of the way, the final step is to reconnect the Salesforce Authenticator. This step is almost like introducing your account to Salesforce anew, creating a secure link between your account and the Authenticator app again. Ensure your Authenticator app is ready, open it, and follow the prompts provided. This typically involves scanning a QR code or entering a key to reestablish the connection. And there you have it. By completing these steps, you've successfully reset your Salesforce Authenticator. Remember, this is a powerful tool not only for maintaining security, but also for facilitating access. By understanding how to reset it, you're ensuring that you can always regain access swiftly when implementing new devices or troubleshooting access problems. Thanks for joining me, and happy navigating in Salesforce.